guys, it's Roxie with Roxie's Broadway Breakdown. Welcome back to my channel, and today is a two-part video. Yes, in the first part, I'm going to talk about using mics and how to become proficient with a mic in musical theater. And the second one, I'm going to teach choreography from the musical Six, because all the queens use mics in Six. So, first off, sometimes there are times in musical theater where you use mics and not body mics. And whether it's a cabaret or showcase kind of setting or an actual musical like Six or jukebox musicals where the characters are pop stars or rock stars like Tina or Cher or Frankie Valli. And so you have to become proficient with using mics. I've seen people that once they get a mic in their hand, they become very stiff and rigid, and they feel like, oh, this is like a prop now I have to deal with. Instead of just letting it become very natural, like almost an extension of their hand now, and just saying, okay, I'm performing with this. Because once they start going and doing their choreography, they want to use both hands naturally, and the second you put it away from your face, you obviously start losing that volume. So you have to get proficient either using one hand or keep switching it and just becoming very natural with it. You can't be too close to your mouth. You can't let it get too far. Depending on your voice type, the sound tech will adjust for your volume. So these are all things to keep in mind while using an actual mic. If it has a cord, that's different too. Those are a little trickier because you don't want to trip on it. So you have to also learn to work with the cord. You could do the old Judy Garland thing where she used to whip it over her shoulder. But let's face it, very few of us are Judy Garland, and you know, that was pretty dramatic in her style. But again, it's just, you know, getting used to working with this and having it feel foreign or awkward, and then you look awkward on stage and you feel uncomfortable. So whether you want to just practice with a marker, a pencil, your phone, anything in your hand, and start practicing with something that, you know, allows you to go, okay, I'm going to have this in my hand and I need to do all my choreography with this and be on stage and have it look right and not feel like, oh, all of a sudden I'm encumbered by this thing I'm going to have to hold the entire show. What do I do with it? It's got to look comfortable for you and how you're going to hold it and place it and work with it. Let it work to your advantage. All right, I hope those tips, why I'm still talking into a prop mic, I don't know. All right, so I hope those tips were helpful. Subscribe to my channel, check out all my other videos, and I'll see you in my next.